Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Instagram account. So in order to do so, you need to do it from the web browser. You'll not be able to do it from your application. You need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in www.login.instagram. Now you need to log in through your web browser. So for that, enter in your login credential. Once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. So on this page, what you need to do is click on this profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the profile icon, now click on edit profile. And as you tap on edit profile, you'll be able to make some changes with your account information. Now scroll down right to the bottom. In order to delete your account, click on this temporarily deactivate my account. Now you need to select a reason for deleting your account or deactivating your account. So tap on this and then select the valid reason. And after that, enter in the password associated with your Instagram account since you're deleting it for the verification purpose. Once you're done entering your password, click on temporarily deactivate my account, which is right at the bottom. And as soon as you click on it, once again you'll have a confirmation, so make sure to go through it. And after that, if you're sure about it, click on confirm. So within 30 days your account will be temporarily deactivated, and after 30 days your account will be deleted. So in this way you can delete your Instagram account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.